Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens. Got Magic the Gathering box for Will. So here we go, we got the Allegiance. So I'm going to be butchering probably a lot of the stuff coming out of here. So you're going to have to let me know what's the good stuff and what's not so good. Do you want me to just open and just tuck everything back in the packs, Will? Or do you want to just put it into like a 25 count 2-piece container? Because I can just pop. I think what I see a lot of collectors here, like they just open and they just put it back in the pack after. Let me know if you want me to just put it back in the pack here. Some of the uncommons are in the back when I used to buy these. We got Clamor Shaman. Cavalcade of Clamati, Knight of the Last Breath, and Absorb is your rare. Okay, Absorb, and a Rakdos. I don't know if you want me going straight to the uncommons and rares, or if there's a particular way you want me to do them. Let me know if you want just like all straight to the uncommons, or do you want to see every single card here? I can do either or. Gateway Sneak. We got a dual Incubation and Incongruity. Cryo Canarian. Judith, the Scourge Diva. This one must be a good one. This one looks evil. And it's Foil Undercity Scavenger. Let's go straight to the uncommons. Shark to Crab, Clamor, Cry of, and Awaken the Erstwhile. Orzhov. Troby Guardian, Sky Tether, Azoria Skyguard, and Emergency Powers. Actually, what I'll do is I'll just put them all back in. What did you pass? No, you need to tuck when you play all the pack. You got eyes everywhere. Got another one of those incubation duels. Wall of the Lost Thoughts, and got a duo Warrant and Warden. I've never seen one of those. Well, that's your rare there. Yeah, I'll do that for you right after I'm done this magic box here, Will Hicks. We got Bankrupt in Blood, Paramander, Blood Mist, Infiltrator, and Hero of the Precinct. So Precinct 1. Gate of Colossus, Azurta Goblin, Junk Troller, and another duo Revival and Revenge. So fun those. Some of these packs aren't going to be so nice there, Will. Sinks of the New Fev, Flames of Razibor, Wall of Lost Thoughts, Mass Manipulation. Pitiless Pontiff, Cavalcade, Swirling Torrent, and Bedek and Bedazzle. Dagger Caster, Gatebreaker Ram, Smelt, and Priest of the Forgotten Gods, and foil applied Biomancy. Senate Guildmage, Archangel, Archway Angel, Rumbling Ruin, and Hydrid Crassus. Ministrant of Obligation, Sky Tether, Gates Ablaze, and Benthic Biomancer. Yeah, I used to have Magic. I traded a lot of it away for hockey back in the day. Like I still have like my Urza's sets. Like I still got a full set of Saga, Destiny. I think I got Legacy and maybe Mercadian Mask still. We got Frilled Mystic, Combined Guildmage, Tower Defense, and Electro Dominance. Like I still know the basics stuff. Like I can play Commander for fun with some of the people when we run tournaments here. Senate Guildmage, 10 Street Dodger, Sinks, and Incubation Druid. Morphling and Masticore were probably my two favorite cards. And Gaia's Cradle. No, the sets I'm just keeping. I've had a lot of people ask me about that own stores. Got Ministrant of Obligation, another duel, Scrabbling Claws, and Gutter Bones. We got Rakdos, Wilderness, Code, and Hollowed Fountain. Hollowed Fountain is your rare. Light Up the Stage, Basilicia, Rambling Ruin, and Rampage of the Clans. Is there a big play network up in Hazleton there? Yeah, we're doing just a personal Magic the Gathering break here, Elijah. Sunder Shaman, Smelt, Clan Guildmage, Blood Crypt. I think these are the sack lands I know are pretty popular. Regenesis. We'll be jumping into hockey as soon as we're done this. Rally to Battle, Fireblade Artistic, Godless Shrine, another sack land. Dead Revivals, or Dead Reveals. Bankrupt in Blood, Drillbit, Carnival, Teeth Taker. Yeah, if you ever need any of the Magic stuff, like we get all the Masters and stuff like that too. Those are the higher end stuff. Galloping Lizrog, Archway Angel, Resolute, and Lumbering Battlement. Enrage, Serotok, Regenesis, Forbidden Spirit, and Grell's Spellbreaker. Biogenic Upgrade, Windstrom Drake, Macabre, Mockery, and Nikia of the Old Ways. Senator Druid. That's the new Prism, Mikey. Vindictive Vampire, Sunder Shaman, Junk Troller, and Stomping Grounds. We got 3 of the sack lands. Is there those lottery cards in this set, Will? I don't remember if there is or not. That everybody likes to chase. Screaming Shield, Spirit of the Spires, another Carnival Duel, and Seraph of the Scales. Angel. Skatewing Spy, Rhythm of the Wild, Syndicate Guildmage, Theater of the Horrors. Enchantment.
Okay, John. How are you? You just got in town?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, High Alert, Orzhov, Swirling Torrent, and Perstillant Spirit. Sohana, Bullrack, Fireblade, and Unbreakable Formation. Mortify, Grow Beastmaster, Dobins, and Rix. Hoping you're writing all this down, Will. Gates Ablaze, Essence Capture, Repudiate, and Replicate. We got Simic. Oh, that's your rare, sorry. Replicate one. Enrage, Serotok, Dovins, Acuity, and Spawn of Mayhem. Oh, that's a darker one, so that's the Mystic. Clear the Stage, Cult Guildmage, and Simic, Ascendancy. Bullrack, Regenesis, Orzhov, and Kaya's Wrath. And Coral Commando Silver. And 3 packs left. And we'll be going into Cup here, guys. Into these sport breaks. Rally to Battle, Gatebreaker Ram, and Cinder Vines. Enchantment. Pitiless Pontiff, Skywings or Skatewing Spy, Collision and Colossus, and Precognitive Perception. This looks like a pretty good one. Any card that you can draw multiples is usually a good one. what I remember. Angelic Expulsion, Vasilisa, Sentinel's Mark, and Growth Commander Guardian. Base. Oh, there we have it, Will. Appreciate it again.